If your hibiscus plant's also showing yellowing leaves, keep following this video, because we will talk about the most common reasons for yellow leaves of hibiscus and their simplest solutions as well. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The most common reason of yellow hibiscus leaves is the deficiency of nutrition. As we all know, hibiscus plant is a fast-growing, heavy feeder plant. When hibiscus roots can't get enough nutrients in its soil mix, it starts showing yellowing leaves. Mostly the deficiency of nitrogen and magnesium causes this problem. If we still don't provide it a good fertilizer, gradually the plant stops its growth, and may die as well. So we have to fertilize hibiscus plant every 20 to 25 days, for healthier growth. And the best way to provide nutrition to your hibiscus plant is to apply a good nitrogen source, like cow dung compost. If you have not applied a fertilizer on your hibiscus from weeks, then immediately add a glass of cow dung liquid fertilizer. A complete video guide on cow dung benefits and uses is added in the description box. Another common reason of yellow hibiscus leaves is the water blockage. If you are adding too much moisture in the soil, then it can also cause yellow leaves on hibiscus plant. And it can also be due to the poor quality soil mix. So to solve this issue, you can use a good quality soil mix that drains well. Take a part of sand, cocopeat, and mix it with half part of cow dung compost, and our homemade well-draining soil mix is ready to use for hibiscus plant. For a proper and effective watering, you can check the soil before watering. Water only if it feels dry. Overwatering not only makes the leaves yellow, but also makes stress on the roots, that ultimately cause less blooming and growth. So it is important to water carefully. The next reason for the yellowing of hibiscus leaves is the deficiency of sunlight. When your hibiscus plant gets a very small amount of sunlight, the leaves turn yellow. As hibiscus plant is a flowering plant, therefore it requires a good amount of sunlight to grow well. Deficiency of sun also affects the blooming health of hibiscus. So if the hibiscus leaves turning yellow, that it also means the plant is not getting enough sun. So provide at least 4 to 5 hours of sun to your hibiscus, for consistent and healthy blooming. When we brought a new hibiscus plant from the nursery to our house, then it turns all its leaves yellow. This is a very common problem. It is because the plant is facing a shock that will be recovered within a few days. After the repotting of the hibiscus plant, yellow leaves appear very commonly as well. That is due to the transplant shock, and here we have to wait for a little, and it will be recovered automatically. The problem occurs when we became panicked and start on adding different fertilizers. Just keep the plant in a shade for a few days, and as the new leaves appear, move it back to a sunny spot. Another thing that turns hibiscus leaves yellow is the effect of temperature. As the season changes, hibiscus plant turns some of its leaves yellow, which is again a normal thing, and happens only due to the change of season. In winters, the hibiscus plant do not grow, and first the leaves became yellow and then fells off. They grow back as the spring season starts again. Hibiscus leaves turns yellow due to the compactness of the soil mix as well. With time, the soil becomes hard and it became hard for the roots to grow as well. Hibiscus leaves became yellow and plant died. So to solve this problem, you can dig the upper layer of soil from time to time, or use a loose soil mix instead. The best soil mix for hibiscus plant is added in the description box. You can check out that. So it is all about the most common reasons for hibiscus yellow leaves. Identify your plant according to these reasons and make a solution. For any questions, leave a comment below and must check out this video to know more about cow dung compost.